Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, karibu sana, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So guys, masaibu ya simu. Sema masaibu ya simu. Simu zimenisumbua. This is unboxing video, but I've already unboxed my new phone. So I want to show you what I was using before I got my new phone. This is the phone that has been disturbing me, guys. As you have seen on the video, I lost a lot of files because of this phone. It is 2 GB RAM and 32 ROM. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? So I'm using another phone, but this is not my new phone. So I have like 3 phones. But certainly, Bilini. So this is Huawei Y6. I've written my name here. This is Huawei Y6, and I've been with this phone for like 3 years, 3 years to 2 years. I don't know. I don't remember. And it was a very cute phone, a very slim phone. It has a good camera, but there is this time I lost this thing over here, a lens, as you can see. I don't know, this phone is not focusing. I've never used this for doing video. I had to use it because I want both both phones to be here. So guys, this is the phone that has been using, and imekuwa ikini stress hadi nikaja kuchukua videos. I want to show you my new phone. Are you ready, guys? Are you ready? So let me show you what I got. Of course, I've already opened it because I've done like some. I just want to wrap it so that I can unbox with you guys like that. Nilikuwa nishafungua. I can't lie. Okay, nirudishe tu vile ilikuwa kwa box because nimetumia. I think this is the cereal. Okay. So guys, that's what I can afford for now. I wanted an iPhone, but I was ranting about an iPhone, but iPhone ziko na bei. I have to save for some time. So, and I didn't want my bank to go bankrupt, so I decided to opt for this one. But it's a good one, guys. I wish you see the videos. Mtaona changes of the videos and the quality nini. So we should open it, right? This will be just a small video for the updates. Then, if you're a YouTuber, this is the phone to go for because I've done some videos with it. Like, siko nimezima. What the hell? So I've done some videos with this phone, and I'm telling you, oh my goodness, I can't believe. So I opened this. So this is how it was wrapped. So you opened it. Look at the back of the phone. And wrapped like this. Siguziki huku nje, msiniona hivyo. Siguziki. Nilikuwa nishatumia. So nimeguzaguza na fingerprint. So it has a fingerprint. If I touch it like this, hey, why are you disappointing me? Nilikuwa naiguza hivi inafunguka, ndio hiyo. So if you touch it like that, it will show you the notifications nini. But I've not already I haven't set the what do you call it, the fingerprints yet, because sijakaa nayo, like vitu zingine I'm learning. So at the back it looks like this. As I told you, these 3 cameras, they are so powerful, guys. The clarity. Let me not just talk about it. Mtajionea, si ndio? So nimeninik already. That's my picture over there. It has a lot of apps, as you can see. So guys, I'm receiving a lot of notification lately. So if you follow me on Instagram, on Facebook, you will see the quality of the phone. It may change. Like, follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Facebook. I'll leave my Facebook and Instagram link there. So just follow me. And then I didn't buy the protector, so I'm going to buy the protector tomorrow because I had no time, but I had time to buy this cover. Oh, I'm in love with it. This is an what do you call it? A marble cover. Sorry. So I'm going to put it here. Look how it looks. Very cute, guys. So I'll insert some videos here so that you can see what I'm talking about. Because if I show you the video from here, the quality won't be as good as it is here. I don't know if you can get it. If you don't get it, forget about it. So bye bye Huawei. Now we are Team Samsung. So if you are a YouTuber, hey, you should go for this phone. It is affordable. It has a good camera. The clarity is good. It is fast. It has 6 GB RAM. And can you imagine, from 2 GB to 6 GB RAM and 128 ROM SSD. So from 32 to 128. Now I have a good space at least before I buy I'll buy what do you call it? A memory card. I have to buy because I need a lot of space. So guys, that was all for today, and I'm grateful to God that I can now shoot a good video, and it's because of your support, guys. Thank you so much for supporting me. I couldn't have done this without you guys. And keep on giving my videos love, keep on showing me love, keep on liking my videos, and don't forget to comment down below because I have good things coming along. So stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And if you are a new subscriber, welcome. So it comes with this charger. This is not like the kawaida charger. Can you see this capin? I think it's type C. It's a type C charger, and it's a fast charger. So I'm praying to God this charger should not get lost. Isipotee ama iharibike, staki, because mimi nimenunua chargers sana. So guys, I bought these earpods. As you can see, tuna upgrade tu pole pole. They are chargeable. Na zinawaka. I don't know if you can see. Right now, inawaka kinda bluish. I don't know if you can see, but yeah. Inawaka red. So guys, to me upgrade. So if you want to know the cost of the phone, go to Jumia, look for that phone, A32 Samsung. It's very affordable and it